Hello, I am Dragoș, and in this video I would like to show you Cloudflare integration with Cloudways. So Cloudways made a partnership with Cloudflare Enterprise that you can utilize and secure your website better and have a better performance. So this is the article, and this is what they are adding in this partnership with Cloudflare. Basically, with about $5 a month, you will take benefit of Cloudflare Enterprise, and you will have more of a powerful CDN, more security, more caching, image optimization, yeah, and accelerated mobile pages. This is the price that they're having. So for a single domain, the price starts from $5, and it goes down with many domains that you have. In the right side, you have the benefits. So with these $5, you will have 100 gigabytes of enterprise CDN traffic, and if you go over this, you will only pay $0.2 for 10 gigabytes of traffic. I haven't used this before, so we're gonna configure in this video Cloudflare on the Cloudways website that I have. In here, first I will show you the site. This is the site. I made a test just for you to see how it's doing. So you see here, like this website is not that fast. It's has a lot of images, a lot of plugins installed, and things like that. And it takes about 3.9 seconds for the full load of this website. I will also do a retesting here just to have two examples. The page speed insights are also not good at all. You see here, like the performance is 28 for mobile, time to interactive is about 70 seconds. In this website, I have WordPress APO already activated, and I want to see how the performance will be after we enabled the Cloudflare Enterprise. Let's see how this thing is done. I didn't do it till now on any websites. I just want to do it in this video so we can all see. You see here, like right now, the performance is even worse, like 4.2 seconds until everything is loaded, 1.6. I will also test this. The server that we have, it is in Europe, and I will just do another test. Let's see also from US to see if it has any difference. Right now, this thing is already proxied through Cloudflare, so it's using their free CDNs with their WordPress APO settings. So let's see how this thing is doing also from the USA, to see if and what are the benefits if you activate the enterprise plan through Cloudways. Okay, let's see. We should have a slow response from US because the server is in Europe. Okay, yeah, see the response, it's slower. It's 1.8 seconds for the largest contentful paint, and you have about 5 seconds of loading time for the full website from Jetmetrics. Okay, and right now let's go and see how we can activate this. So I've already logged into to Cloudflare, and in this section, in the application section, you have Cloudflare in here, and you have the Cloudflare Enterprise. The full page cache is not enabled yet, but I guess it will be enabled soon, so it will even make your website faster when this will be enabled. So let's see, let's add the website, busylife.tv is the website. We'll hit enable. Let's see what they want next to do. So this will be a live migration, and we'll see what exactly we need to do to have Cloudways use the Cloudflare Enterprise. Okay, let's wait for this to finish. Okay, after about 2 minutes, we have received this verified domain ownership. So we need to go into the Cloudflare where we have the domain and create 2 TXT records. In this way, Cloudflare will verify that this is the domain that we're using. In here I have the busy life, I have the DNS, and I will just create the TXT records. Let's hit add new. Let's choose here the TXT. First one. Let's go and take the value. Let's save it. Okay. I will add the second one. This was to the root, and this was the value. Okay. Now I've added both TXT records in here. Usually this should take, I don't know, about a couple of minutes, the most, like 5 minutes is the automatic refresh for this domain in Cloudflare. So let's go and see if it's working right now. If we hit the next, here it states that it will take about 24 hours verification to complete. Okay, right now it's pending the verification. Let's hit this refresh, and yeah, it's telling that it trained a few minutes. So I will pause this video for 5 minutes, and after I will retry to see if the domain it's validated. Okay, we're back. I have it hit the refresh. It took about 5 minutes. You see here the clock in the right side. So in about 5 minutes the domain was verified. Right now let's go and see the CNAME record. So they want us to use the CNAME record to move our website. So right now BusyLive has an A record. We cannot have an A on the CNAME record for the main, pointing to the same. So what we need to do is to delete this thing first, and then we'll add the record CNAME. CNAME, it is the root one, and the target it is like this. Let's see if this thing should be proxied or not. Okay. Here it tells you that if you already have an A or for A or CNAME, you should go and remove them. And in here, Cloudflare account, the CNA record below 2 domain Cloudflare Enterprise, you must use the DNS only proxy mode, which simply requires turning your orange cloud to gray. So we need to deactivate this proxy status and let only DNS. Let's hit save. And right now the website it is redirected. Again, this thing may take 5 minutes to be activated. The default time. Let's hit done and see what is happening. Domain is not live. Okay. We need to wait another 5 minutes for the changes to be propagated everywhere. I'll pause this and came back in 5 minutes to try and see what is happening. Okay, so the CNAME has been refreshed, and now they want us to add some error records in there. View records. So what we need to do is to replace that CNAME with these values. Let's go and remove this CNAME. Delete. Let's add an A record. This should not be proxied. Let's go and add the second A record. Okay. 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 Remove the proxy, save. So right now we should have everything set up. Let's wait for a couple of minutes and then I will go in here and hit refresh to see if everything is live. So successfully pointing to Cloudflare network. So right now we have a full domain that is pointing to Cloudflare. Let's see, let's go and check it. Okay, this right now should use the Cloudflare Enterprise. Now let's go and do some tests and see the difference that we have with this. Let's go and test it first from the San Antonio. I guess the cache needs first to be populated to have the better speed. Also, I think the speed will increase when you will have the full page cache also enabled for Cloudways, like you have the APO. But let's see what are the results with this right now. We'll run this a couple of times to be sure that the cache is enabled, just to see if we have any difference. This thing in the paths took about 5 seconds to load for the full website and about 2 seconds for the first elements. So right now it looks like the speed is not that good. It's slower than the one with the WordPress APO activated. I'll hit a retest just to see again what is happening. Let's wait also, then I will do a test from Europe to see if there is an inversion. Right now this website is accessed mostly from Europe, so there we are interested in having a better speed. Also with this Cloudflare Enterprise CDN, you have better security. So the website that I have transferred it is having membership and things like that. So it's important to be also secured. So you see right now that the cache gets refreshed, and you have a much better speed than before. From USA, you see you have 1.3 seconds for the largest containful paint, and you have here like 3.5 seconds. Let's do another test just to be sure. I mean, we should basically, for the cache to be populated, usually you should wait a couple of hours, so everything to be moved in Cloudflare servers. But running this multiple times, I think it will also help in populating the cache. Let's see the second run. So the second run, it's worse than the previous one. You see here 1.9 seconds, 5.5 seconds for everything to load. So it's not really concludent. Let's go and check in Europe what is happening. I've already run it in here. You see 542 seconds, it was less time. Let's go and do a retest in here a couple of times just to see how this thing is going. We're gonna do a page speed insights also to see how it's doing. It didn't do well at all previously. Let's hit the analyze again. And see what is happening. Let's wait also for the London test. So in here you see that the speed it's better than before. You have 1 second and the website 3.6 seconds. I will hit a retest just to see. This test also finished. The performance it isn't better at all. Here you have the same similar results like before. Let's do again a test. Again, the previous site has had the APO set up, so that is making WordPress website really fast because it's caching the whole page right now. This enterprise plan that it's in here, it doesn't has the feature enabled yet, but yeah, it will be enabled in the future. From what is told there, that it will come soon. So then you will also have a better speed than now. So at the second test, this thing took 1.4 seconds and 4.8, so more than before. So I will do another test to see what it is doing right now. This is the last test that we're gonna do to see how it's is doing. So now the results were better than before. So it is a mixed results that are coming. Yeah, right now the speed it's okay, and the website loaded fully in 3.4 seconds. In here, I'll do just one more analyze to be sure that we have the the latest cached version. Right now, if we go to the site and see the speed and how it's doing, the speed it's good. You don't have issues. I mean, I wouldn't expect to have issues, and also it's not that easy to see it with the the eye, the speed. Okay, so not this. I was trying to see the network to see if we have here are more details. For instance, if we go to program just to see how fast this thing it's loading, you see here that this first page load in 5 seconds, but yeah, it's not actually true. It loaded in about 2 seconds. Let's go again. Yeah, about 2 seconds. So it's very fast. It depends. For instance, if you scroll it, you will have more details. So these results are in par with what we are seeing in GT metrics. So the first things are loading in about 1 second and a half, and then the other elements are loaded in 5 seconds, and it depends if lazy load it's enabled, it will start loading also other elements. Okay, let's see the page speed again. So we have similar results in here. You don't see let's say a lot of improvements when you move to Cloudflare Enterprise from the APO version, but in the future I hope the performance it will be also better than the APO one, when the full patch cache it will be introduced by the Cloudflare team for Cloudways. Right now the enterprise, it will help you with a better security. You will have the image optimizations, you will have better caching for mobiles, and all in about $5. So this is how you are configuring Cloudflare Enterprise in Cloudways. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.